wanted to give a shout out to my friend Robert Bates for, this is his hammer drill. He is letting me borrow it for these videos. And he also donated to my channel 8 amp hour HILTI battery. And so I thank Robert Bates so much. You are a good friend. You're awesome. And check out VCG Construction. They're a good channel. They're extremely entertaining to watch. They are professionals in front of the camera. And so that's why a lot of people are subscribing to them, because they actually majorly amped up their game in front of the camera, and it's awesome. So check out VCG Construction, and I thank you so much for Mr. Bates for letting me borrow your drill and donating an 8 amp hour HILTI battery to my channel. So what we're gonna do today is we are gonna do a versus video between the Dewalt Power Detect brushless hammer drill with the 8 amp hour battery with 21700 cells in it versus the HILTI brushless hammer drill with 8 amp hour battery with 21700 cells in it. So this can be a good one. The Dewalt XR Power Detect just came out, and it's a new release, so I'm excited. I've been excited to do this video since I heard of this drill, and I honestly think that the Dewalt is probably going to win this one. No hands down, no contest, but there's only one way to find out. They did improve the Dewalt's handle. It is made, just the ring is made out of metal instead of fiberglass, but the rest of it is made out of the cheap plastic like this handle is. The only thing that's good on this on the new Dewalt handle is the ring right here. The rest of it's made out of some cheap stuff. Like this, they should have made this pretty much majorly fiberglass reinforced with a huge, with a good thick metal stem, like the HILTI and the Milwaukee did. So the HILTI is really robust and much better handle than this one is. But the benefit of having this type of handle is you could adjust this to whichever, however you want it to be. With most of the others, you are designated to one spot, and that's just to go straight. So we are going to do concrete. We are going to do a couple holes in a block of concrete that I got, and we are going to do wood. So like this is going to be all out battle on to see which one could actually win. Alrighty, so this is the Dewalt. The model number for this is DCD998. And the model number for the other Dewalt that is non-power detect is DCD996. So this is 2 numbers above that. This is power detect. It is power detect. It has 3 speed settings. Like the other one, this gives you all the specs for the entire drill. All right, so the beats per minute is on speed 1, 0 to 8500. Speed 2 is 0 to 25,500. And on speed 3 is 0 to 38,250 beats per minute. For RPM, it goes to 0 to 450 on speed 1, speed 2, 0 to 1300, and on speed 3, 0 to 2000. All right, so the hammer, while using the hammer drill, it is 0 to 500 RPMs, 0 to 1500 RPMs, and 0 to 2250 RPMs. So it gives you specs on that. This does not say what torque is. I'll put the torque in right now. And so yes, this battery is unique. This is a 21700 cell battery. It has a nice thick, a nice area for you to put your finger so you could clamp down. And if you compare that to the 60 volt, as you can see the wall right there, you don't have much of a grip to push down on the button. But on this one, you do. You have almost a full thumb's worth, which that's awesome. So it's much easier to take the batteries out with this button. This is model number DCB208, 20 volt system, 8 amp hour, 160 watt hours. And so yeah, that is the Dewalt. For the HILTI, this is model number SF6HA22. This only gives you certain settings. For RPMs, this speed 2 speed settings. First speed 0 to 490 RPMs. On speed 2, 0 to 2000. Both of these are 1/2 inch metal chucks. half-inch metal chucks. Oh, I am sorry. The Dewalt has 11 point clutch plus 2. The HILTI has a 15-point clutch plus 2. And so, yes, I do not know what the torque is or the beats per minute. I'll put both of those in right now. And so the battery is a 22 volt battery, 7.9 amp hours, 172 watt hours. So that is actually more. Wow, that's actually 12 more than this DeWalt. So the watt hours is more than the DeWalt is. So that's pretty much the specs. Let's put the battery in. Let's get to it. And so yes, the HILTI has 2 LED beams on the bottom pointing up, and the DeWalt has 1 LED beam pointing up as well, but this is a special light because you could dim it and make it brighter. So DeWalt's light is unprecedented. That light is seriously bright and it stays on for 20 minutes if you have it on that setting. Remember when you work, wear gloves and safety glasses. Got mine right here. All right, so first we're going to use the Milwaukee 3/4 inch drill bit. We will use the Dewalt Power Detect first. We are going to use speed 3 because it is capable of doing it. It has the features, so it will be used. Battery is full. All right, so we are going to drill in 2 holes. We're going to do them individually, and then we're just going to add the time together. All right, so ready, go. Time. Do 1 more. That did it like nothing. All right, so ready, go. Did it like nothing. Let's see if HILTI could keep up with that. Speed 2, it is on drill. Battery is full. All right, so ready, go. Like nothing. Now I stop the timer as soon as this hits the top of the board. As soon as the chuck hits the top of the board, that's when the timer stops. Let's do 1 more. All right, so ready, go. Like nothing. Did it like nothing. It's on speed 3 because it's capable. And just so you guys know, if speed 3 does seem to struggle, I am going to put it in speed 2 in any of these tests. That's an advantage of this. So I'm going to do it. If you don't like it, too bad. All right, so that clears everything. All right, so we're going to do 1 hole. All right, so we're ready, go. It's through. There we go. All right, so right here is good. All right, so ready, go. Time. Had no problem with that. And we are going to do 1 speed board test on the pressure treated 4x4. All right, so ready, go. Wow. Time. It's capable. That might be different on the 6x6. All right, so ready, go. I feel like DeWalt took that one. I think DeWalt got that one. All right, but that is it for the 4x4. That's it. And that is in perfect. Well, we are going to do the Dewalt first. We're going to use a speed bore. Let's see on how this acts on speed 3 on a 6x6 pressure treated wood. When we use a 6x6, that's when we use handles. Safety first. Battery is still full. All right, so ready, go. Bam. That is speed 3. Wow. It's capable of doing that on speed 3. Oh, that's not good. Speed 2, it is on drill. Battery is full. All right, so ready, go. Time. I don't know if it's that HILTI is a beefy tool too. We are going to do 1.5 inch hole with the spade bit. Just on speed, the highest speed. Ready, go. Wow. That is speed 3. That is seriously impressive. 996 failed at speed 3, but that one didn't. All right, so 1 hole for the HILTI. All right, speed 2. All right, so ready, go. Time. Time. Not bad. Seriously impressive. Alrighty, so I do not know what size concrete bits these are, but these are both, all 4 of these are equally used. So I did not use one more than the other on both sizes. So this is an even match. We're gonna do Dewalt first. All right, so we are gonna do a hole right here. All right, so, oh, I got the Ryobi blower. We're gonna use this. All right, so, ready, go. Time for that. Put HILTIs in. All right, so ready, go. Time. All right, so I do not know if I cleared the fluid out for the Dewalt, but I did need to clear the fluid out for the HILTI. So let's go to the next size. That is a hot bit. There we go. Speed 3, the battery is still full on the Dewalt. All right, we are not gonna do this hole yet. We're gonna make a brand new hole with this size. This might be a 1/4 inch. I'm not too sure. Ready, go. Time. Awesome. All right, so let's make a new hole for the HILTI. Battery is still full. Speed 2, it's on hammer drill. All right, so ready, go. Time. I think these bits are, this is probably the last holes. All right, both of these relaxed for a few minutes. They got hotter than they were before they were right after I was done. So let's see what the temperatures of these are. 79, 84. Dewalt got up to 95 degrees. Not bad. That's not bad at all. That actually stayed pretty cool. Let's see how hot the... All right, best I can find now is 107. So very good. Alrighty, so those are the results. Please don't hate me for them. I do not know what they are until I edit the video. But in all honesty, I think the Dewalt won. I think the Dewalt did it better and faster because now you're able to use speed 3 for the most intense jobs. The other P996 did not able to do speed 3 for the other jobs, but at the same time it might because these are new batteries. I wanted to do versus videos with the batteries with the 996. So if you put a 5 amp hour in here, it might not perform like this. So like the performance that this is giving might be because of the battery. But we are going to continue these tests. We're going to include the Dewalt versus Makita, Milwaukee, and we are also going to do a brawl against those three. And we're going to see what this can do with different batteries. Because this might require this battery to do this job. So if you get this drill tool only and you don't have this battery, this tool might not perform the way that it is performing now. So we're going to find that out in a future video. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button to be notified of future videos. This is Dave Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.